Welcome to the best picks. The best Aveeno Oat Oil is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products on the market right now, and for good reason. This luxurious oil is formulated with colloidal oatmeal, a powerhouse ingredient known for its soothing and moisturizing properties, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to deeply nourish and protect their skin. Whether you have dry, sensitive, or even normal skin, this versatile oil promises to leave your complexion feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and revitalized, addressing common concerns like itchiness and irritation with its gentle yet effective formula. Number 5. Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Body Lotion. Are you struggling with very dry and sensitive skin? Aveeno Skin Relief Body Lotion is designed to provide instant relief and lasting comfort. Experience the difference with its fast-absorbing formula that leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth, never greasy. It penetrates quickly to moisturize deeply. This lotion is enriched with a soothing triple oat and shea butter formula. These ingredients work together to calm and nourish your skin. It's completely fragrance-free, making it ideal for even the most sensitive skin types. You can enjoy its benefits without any irritation. This body lotion actively heals very dry skin and helps restore its natural barrier. It provides long-lasting hydration and protection throughout the day. With a generous 33 fluid ounces size, you'll have plenty of this effective moisturizer to keep your skin healthy and comfortable. It's perfect for daily use. What we like. This lotion is designed to heal very dry and sensitive skin. Its fast-absorbing nature makes it perfect for daily use. If you have persistently dry or irritated skin and need quick relief, this is the one for you. What people say. Aveeno Oat Oil is a great product for dry skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. My skin feels soft and moisturized after using it. Number 4. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Oil Mist Twin Pack. Discover the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Oil Mist, your new essential for dry, sensitive skin. This nourishing spray is designed to leave your skin feeling smoother and looking healthier. It's formulated with the goodness of oat and jojoba oils, known for their moisturizing properties. This gentle blend helps to hydrate and soothe your skin without irritation. Specifically designed for those with dry and sensitive skin, it provides deep hydration. You can trust it to be gentle yet effective, making your skin feel comfortable all day long. Experience skin that feels noticeably smoother and looks nourished after each use. Its lightweight mist absorbs quickly, delivering essential moisture where your skin needs it most. Worry less about harsh chemicals. This body oil mist is free from parabens, silicones, and alcohol, ensuring a pure and beneficial skincare experience. Get more of what you love with this convenient twin pack. You'll have double the supply of this fantastic body oil mist to keep your skin hydrated. What we like. This oil mist offers a convenient way to nourish dry, sensitive skin. It leaves your skin feeling smoother and is free from parabens, silicones, and alcohol. If you prefer a lightweight, sprayable moisturizer that absorbs quickly, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Aveeno Oat Oil is a great product for dry skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. I love the subtle scent of this oil. Number 3. Cliganic Organic Jojoba Oil 16 ounces. Discover the purity of 100% organic jojoba oil. It's a versatile, natural solution for your beauty needs. This generous 16-ounce bottle comes with a convenient pump for easy application. Enjoy its benefits in bulk. Experience deep hydration for your skin and hair. It effectively moisturizes, leaving you feeling refreshed. Perfect for your face, hair, and nails, it nourishes and revitalizes. Achieve a healthy glow all over. Our oil is naturally derived and cold-pressed to preserve its beneficial properties. It's the natural choice for your wellness routine. What we like. This product is pure organic jojoba oil, cold-pressed for maximum benefit. It's suitable for face, hair, skin, and nails. If you're looking for a single, natural ingredient to address multiple moisturizing needs, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. Aveeno Oat Oil is a great moisturizer that leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The oat oil is gentle and effective for dry, sensitive skin. Number 2. Aveeno Skin Relief Intense Moisture Repair Body Cream. Introducing Aveeno Skin Relief Intense Moisture Repair Body Cream. It's specially formulated to heal and restore very dry skin. This rich cream features a triple oat and shea butter formula. It provides deep hydration that lasts. Experience long-lasting moisture that soothes and comforts. Your skin will feel healthier and more resilient. Our fragrance-free formula is gentle on sensitive skin. It effectively relieves dryness without irritation. This body cream works to heal and restore your skin's natural barrier. Enjoy visibly smoother and softer skin. It's the perfect solution for anyone struggling with very dry skin. Get the relief you deserve. What we like. This cream provides intense moisture repair for very dry skin. Its formula offers long-lasting hydration and is fragrance-free. If your skin is extremely dry and requires deep, restorative care, this cream will provide the relief you need. What people say. Aveeno Oat Oil is a great product that leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. The oil absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's perfect for dry or sensitive skin and helps to soothe irritation. Number 1. ECZEMA Honey 15% Vitamin C plus Ferulic Acid Serum. Discover the power of our potent serum, formulated with 15% vitamin C and ferulic acid. It's designed to rejuvenate your skin and combat the signs of aging. This advanced formula works to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Experience a smoother, more youthful complexion with consistent use. Specially crafted for those with eczema, dry, and sensitive skin. It provides gentle yet effective care, helping to calm and hydrate troubled areas. The high concentration of vitamin C helps to brighten your skin tone and protect it from environmental stressors. Achieve a radiant glow and healthier-looking skin. This luxurious face oil absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling nourished and soft without any greasy residue. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. Our serum works to deeply nourish and restore your skin's natural barrier. Feel the difference as it soothes irritation and promotes overall skin health. What we like. This serum combines vitamin C with other beneficial ingredients for anti-aging effects. It's formulated to help with eczema, dry, and sensitive skin. If you are looking for a targeted treatment to combat signs of aging while soothing sensitive or eczema-prone skin, this serum is a great option. What people say. Aveeno Oat Oil is a great product that leaves skin feeling soft and moisturized. The oil absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's perfect for dry or sensitive skin, providing relief from itching and irritation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.